Welcome to our comparison of two popular built-in dishwashers, the Midea MDF18A1AWW and the BLACK+DECKER 24 inches Designer Series. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. The Midea model is designed for smaller spaces, offering 8 place settings and 6 wash programs, while the BLACK+DECKER boasts a larger capacity of 14 place settings and a quieter operation. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Midea MDF18A1AWW offers 8 place settings, making it suitable for smaller households or kitchens with limited space. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER 24 inches Designer Series provides a generous 14 place settings, perfect for larger families or gatherings. This significant difference in capacity is a crucial factor to consider based on your dishwashing needs. Next, let's talk about noise levels. The Midea MDF18A1AWW operates at 52 decibels, which is relatively quiet, but may still be noticeable in open concept spaces. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER operates at a quieter 45 decibels, making it a better choice for those who prioritize a peaceful kitchen environment. This lower noise level can be particularly beneficial during evening hours or family gatherings. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The Midea MDF18A1AWW is priced at $459, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER 24 inches Designer Series comes with a higher price tag of $999, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. While the initial investment for the BLACK+DECKER is higher, it may offer better long-term value for larger households. In conclusion, both the Midea MDF18A1AWW and the BLACK+DECKER 24 inches Designer Series have their unique strengths. The Midea is ideal for smaller spaces and budgets, while the BLACK+DECKER offers more capacity and quieter operation. Consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.